Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to remix Instagram reels on your Android device. So for this guys, first of all open your Instagram app. After opening, find out the reel which you want to remix the reel. After that guys, on the top right side of your wheel you can see three dot. Just tap on it. From here guys, you can get one option, remix this reel. Just tap on this option. That's it guys. From here you can easily remix the reel on your Instagram. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.